HIDs in, fog lights, headlights. These are the old ones. They mismatch colors and shit, so I was like, fuck it, let me get all the new ones. These gonna go on the bottom like I had them. Purple at the bottom, blue at the top. Got a break in my fog light, so I had to run a relay. So I got all this extra cord and shit. Did a little painting. One day I gotta finish though. Gotta wash it. Got fixed, so. Just put pads and roll this all the way around. You can see the motherfucking brand new. This caliber was fucked up. Somebody fucked that caliber up. Whoever had the car before me. Make another video when I'm done putting them in. Show y'all how they look. Shit, tell, man. That's it. Decent.